Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective. Hey guys, welcome back. So I had some bananas ripen and I thought, what can I make with bananas, Renee? And I realized to myself, I never made muffins for the show. So today I'm gonna make banana muffins. And I was like, how could I make this even better? So I was like, banana and coconut go amazingly together. So I'm gonna make a banana and coconut muffin for you guys today. It's really simple. I know I say this in all my videos, but I'm literally gonna take wet ingredients and dry ingredients, mix them together, bake them, and we're gonna have these delicious, moist muffins. So let's get started. Right, so I have my bananas here and I'm placing them into the bowl because we're gonna mash them. And you can see some of the areas here have ripened really lovely. Right, so it's perfect for this. We're gonna mash this up really nicely. Make sure you get all the pieces. Alright guys, so this is the base for the wet ingredients. So I have my bananas that I mashed here. And we're gonna use oil. We have cuisine soybean oil. Right, and I'm gonna measure, let me see, I need a cup, right? So we're gonna add that. We have some vanilla essence here and some egg. And that's it for the wet ingredients. So we're gonna whisk this together. I love banana, I really do. So you're gonna put this aside now and we're gonna begin on the dry ingredients. The dry ingredients, really simple guys. So we have some all-purpose flour from cuisine. And as always, don't worry about the recipe. The full recipe will be on the website, so you can check that out. Next, some baking powder. I have salt. And that's it. So I'm just gonna whisk this. So you have the two mixtures, the wet and the dry, and it's that simple, guys. So now we're gonna fold them into each other. So I'm adding the wet, fold it in, and then I'll add the next half. Now time to add in the coconut. Right, so I'm going to use half the coconut. We're going to do something different. I'm going to take half the coconut inside the mixture and half I'm going to sprinkle it on top. So you're going to get a nice crunchy exterior. So it's going to be different and I think it will taste good. Right, so I'm adding half to it now. Alright guys, so I've lined my muffin tins with some paper here. Right, and I'm just going to use an ice cream scoop because this helps distribute the batter evenly throughout. And then I'm topping it with some coconut flakes again for the nice crunchiness. And I decided to add some chia seeds because I think it'll add some nice nutritional benefits to the dish. You know, it's going to be rich in fiber, so it's good for us. Right, so I'm just going to scoop out all and we're going to go to the oven. So at the last minute, I just grated some nutmeg at the top, put the coconut flakes and the chia seeds into the oven. Now it goes at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So they're out of the oven and I really wish technology could create smell-o-vision because these smell amazing, guys. Just amazing. It's so heavenly, like the coconut and the banana, and they just look so pretty, like the toasted coconut. It's everything. All right, so moment of truth, I'm gonna try one. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. That extra crunch factor though. I love it. I do. Oh my god. It's so soft and so moist. It's not dry at all, guys. It's perfect. That banana. Wow. As always, guys, the full recipes on eatahfoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below if you tried it. First of all, you should have tried it because it was delicious. As well as feel free to add some nuts. It will give it a great texture. Until next time, guys. Bye. Ah, wait.